Hello students, today we're diving back into infrared spectroscopy, specifically focusing on how we identify one of the most common functional groups, the ketone. Recall that IR spectroscopy measures the vibrations of molecular bonds when they absorb infrared light. Each functional group has its own unique fingerprint frequency. In organic chemistry too, we deal heavily with carbonyl compounds. The carbon-oxygen double bond is a very strong absorber of infrared radiation. Let's take 2-butanone as our example. Notice the ketone functional group, that central carbonyl carbon bonded to two other carbons. The defining feature of a ketone in an IR spectrum is a strong, sharp peak appearing typically between 1705 and 1725 inverse centimeters. Here is the spectrum for 2-butanone. See this intense peak at 1715, that is the classic C double bond O stretching vibration. Why is it so strong? The large dipole moment of the C double bond O bond makes it incredibly efficient at absorbing IR energy. While the carbonyl peak is the star, don't forget the fingerprint region below 1500, which helps us distinguish 2-butanone from other ketones. A quick lab tip. Unlike aldehydes, ketones won't show those characteristic C-H stretching peaks near 2700 and 2800 inverse centimeters. Identifying these peaks correctly is vital for determining the structure of unknown organic molecules in your synthesis projects. Keep practicing with different spectra, and soon you'll be spotting ketones at a glance. Good luck with your studies, and I'll see you in the lab.